All right, guys, I got the bike on the table. It's all strapped down. I'm going to start stripping the fairings down in preparation for the new fairings, so stick around. Okay guys, I got the bike all stripped down, and I must say there were a couple of surprises. The front forks, my deepest, darkest fear. The front forks are bent, and there's a couple of tabs that hold the fender that are broke. Now, I ordered some forks off of eBay. They were 250 bucks. They'll be here in a couple of weeks. I got a hold of some OEM forks for the 2003 Suzuki GSXR600. Brand new forks are $2,700. Wow. So the set of forks I got off of eBay are 250 bucks. Plus there's some other damage. This dam, this is for the ram air. As you can see, there's a hole. I didn't notice that before I started stripping down the forks. So I have to get a replacement air dam, and the grates that go in here to block off like paper and stuff blowing in there, those are broke. I had to order those. And also the light housing on this Gixxer, the speedo and the light housing connect to each other. And the light housing has more damage than I thought, so that'll have to be replaced. So I got one coming off of Amazon, should be here in a couple of weeks. So yeah, now that I got the forks stripped off the bike, there are some things I really needed to do. Like I want to change the oil filter. I want to do a complete tune-up. I'm going to do the air filter, the spark plugs, the oil change, and a coolant change. Those things will be coming up next. All right, guys, this has just been a short, sweet one. I just broke the fairing down off the bike and found some hidden damage, and I'm going to start doing those repairs. Please stay along with me. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, it'll be kind of cool if you did subscribe and like the channel. That'll help me out a whole lot. So this is Solo Black, 313, Rise and Ride, and I'll get with you the next time. Have a great day.